Hey neighbors, check it out. There is your new Southgate house out here at Brockdale Estates. Let's go in and take a quick walk around. All right guys, here is the street. It is very cozy and there are 4 houses on the opposite side. You have a cul-de-sac or a circle and you have 5 houses on this side. And then here's your house. So when you're approaching it, all of this right here is going to be concrete. This will be driveway. This is a single car garage that's a straight pull in from the street. So you're just going to drive straight up into this garage. The 2-car garage is a J-swing. So as you can see, you'll pull in and you make the shape of a J to pull into it. I hope that makes sense. Should be pretty straightforward. All right, of course, going into the house, I've already walked the house. Everything's looking really good so far. The cement looks really tight. Remember, if you guys have watched any of my previous videos, you know that what we're looking for in the ultimate pour of a slab is very smooth, finished concrete. We don't want to see massive cracks in it. We don't even want to see medium-sized ones. You're always going to have a few little ones, just little bitty stuff. I don't know if you can see that. We do have windows in the garage, which is really cool. But the foundation is in great shape. They poured it, looks really clean. Right now, the framing is basically finished. We've got the roof on, the siding is up, the windows are in. It looks really nice and tidy. We've got a little bit of trash on the floor in here, but that's not unusual. This is actually a pretty clean workspace. We've got a few, these little guys go on the roof, and it's an extraction pipe goes through this, and this is basically some flashing. Right now, you're going to see you have water lines. They are using a PEX-based system. It is a really nice system. I think it's far better than copper. We're going to walk through the walls, guys. All right, there we go. So coming in, I wanted to come over here and come in through the front of the home for you. All right, so again, they're going to cut the curb and they'll pour your driveway right up through here. When you come up to the front of the house, you've got this nice extruded window, and then this is going to be the front of the home, okay? So we're going to walk up to here, and then you've got your 2-car garage to the left, so this is going to be an entrance wall. And then you've got bedroom number 2 back over here with a big, beautiful window and a smaller window over here. So this is going to be really nice. And remember, you're back on a very quiet street in the neighborhood, so it should be a nice quiet area. You've got your bathroom, what we call an ensuite bathroom, off this bedroom number 2, and then you walk in and you're going to see a big vaulted roof, a big angular roof up here with all of these windows pulling you into the home. That's the family room, kitchen, and all that. So in here is the mud room. This is a room that's going to have a sink, and it's allowing you to come in from the garage. Now, I do not see the water outlet in here, so it may not have a sink. It may just have a sitting area, like a mud bench, if you will. This is going to be storage under the stairs. That's going to have a door. It's framed for a door. Coming in here, it opens up. See how this is framed? It's going to push back a little bit. It's going to open up radically. And then look how cool these stairs are going to be. Now, over here is the study. Okay, so you've got a lot of light, a nice high ceiling. Once the drywall goes up, this is going to make a lot more sense, guys, I promise. You've got this beautiful starter step right here that goes up to the staircase and then up to a landing. But look how majestic this family room is. This thing is huge, guys. I don't really know the exact height of that, but that's probably, I'm gonna call it 20 feet. It's huge. That is a very tall vaulted ceiling. Over here will be your kitchen. This will be the island. The island will have that water. See the blue for cold, the red for hot. That's PEX plumbing. You got your drainage, venting. You got your vent-hood exit right there. You got 2 really pretty windows, so you're gonna have a lot of light, and that's gonna be the kitchen area. And the cabinetry will go in there. Over here is some more plumbing. This is gonna be the powder bath. So it's gonna be really great for entertaining because you're gonna be having the family area in here. You're gonna have the kitchen area in here, the studies over there, and you got a powder bath right off here. And then here's the media room. So I really would call this a multi-purpose room. A true media room is blacked out. And we've got windows in here. Now you can get blackout curtains and you can make it just as dark as a tomb if you want to. But I think the multi-purpose room is far more useful. And with the modern television systems we have, you can easily see it. Now look how big this massive porch is. I mean, sorry about that, guys. This is great. You've got a really tall ceiling. You've got plenty of room for furniture or an outdoor dining table, and you still have a big backyard. And then there's some of your neighbors. You can see the backs of the houses, and you're up on a little bit of a hill. So absolutely gorgeous. All right, let's continue walking around. So we're gonna go to the left. So here's your fireplace, which is at the opposite end of the kitchen. And see, you can see really the vaulting going on here and there. And then up here is an open area that'll have railings, but it's gonna be an open area from the loft upstairs. So here's your utility room, washer and dryer. And then here's bedroom number 3 between the 2 garages. And then it's got its own private bath and closet. Private bath here, closet right there. That is really slick. Back over here, we have just a storage closet. And then this is gonna be part of the mudroom. This is a closet right here. This is the master closet here, the master toilet, the master shower. This will have an inset glass panel. Let me get back a little bit, guys. An inset glass panel right here, and you can walk in from that side, or you can walk in from this side. So for example, right now we're walking into the shower. See how it drops down? And then your shower head's there, and your control unit's there. And then over here are your sinks, your countertops for the master. And then in here's the master bedroom. So nice high ceiling, lots of bright windows, and then it's a very private entrance. It's also got another linen closet or regular closet here, but the entrance to the master is right back through here off the very back of the home. So the master sits in the back of the home. You can see the porch right here, or the back porch, and then there's the master right there. All right, so let's go upstairs. All right, so as soon as you reach the top of the stairs, you have a really nice game room. Remember, you're gonna have very secure railings, handrails, safety rails, and you are gonna be able to look down and see down in the kitchen, in the family room, from these 2 kind of vantage points. You've got a little window box seat over here, which is pretty cute. Here is a bathroom that is right off the powder room. And then bedroom number 4. And then here's another little section of access for the attic. So the house is coming along great. The framing looks wonderful. I was gonna show you guys some stuff. There's your attic, your upper attic access. I just saw it. I don't know if you can see the beams, but the framing they're doing in here is pretty good. It's the quality looks pretty good. Southgate typically uses a pretty good grade of lumber, and they do a pretty good job on framing for the most part. I was looking at some of their cuts. I highly recommend before they put up the drywall in here, we get a home inspection done. Builders will argue and complain and fuss and squawk. It sounds like wet chickens. You know, oh, you don't need a home inspection. We take care of everything. We check everything. No, they don't. I can show you some home inspection reports done at this stage that are as long as my arm with some serious things that have been overlooked. Now, in fairness to the builder, will they catch most of them? Probably. They're pretty good about it. But I really like the trust but verification mindset. I would much rather have a professional home inspector come out and just rip it to pieces and be really hard on the builder. Even if the builder is gonna find them and catch them and correct them on their own, great. It's just, I know for sure they're documented. And then at the end of the process, we can go back and look and make sure everything on that checklist got addressed. Because here's the deal. Once a builder finishes your home, they're pretty much out of the game. They've got the 1-year warranty. In some cases, Britton and Perry have a 2-year warranty, and they'll honor and fix stuff. But once it's built and the walls are up, you can't see it anymore. It may never crop up to be a problem, but why even have those problems there? Let's just go ahead and get a professional inspector who's independent from the builder to check it out. Give us a list of everything. All we do is hand it to the builder, and they typically just fix it all. So it costs you about $400 or $500. It is a great piece of insurance. It will serve you well. It is not wasted money. Can you tell I like getting home inspections? All right, it's your all's call though. If you don't want to do it, I absolutely understand, but we can chat on the phone about that at a later time. All right, guys, I hope God keeps and blesses you, causes his face to shine upon you, and I hope you're super excited about your new home and how well it's coming along. All right, we'll talk again soon.